This is a really great example, 377 words, and it seems like it's a great outline. Well, maybe you want to take this outline and build out some depth of content. This is where this expand section comes into play. Clicking this, we could expand all of the content, or based on these subsections, we could select specific sections to expand those. So maybe we don't need to expand the understanding our finances. Maybe we like that as bullets, but finding your ideal home needs to be expanded. We could select those specific pieces. If for some reason you are just ready to start editing it, applying that discernment, using your expertise, clicking this edit opens up an editor that is going to allow you to do that. Now, at that point, I would encourage you, go ahead and save what you have. It's going to save it into the system, and I'll show you how we can re-access this in just a second. You can also copy this as just plain text. You can throw it into a Google document, a Word document, or you can throw it onto your website, or you can save it as HTML source, which is going to allow you to host it on a website super easily. Or for some CRMs, it's easier to translate or add text code than it is to add text. So you have that option right there.